you are the average of the 5 people that you spend the most time with. Is that true? Is that true for everybody? I think it is, because I think it's one of the most underrated things that people fail to leverage the people that are around them. They fail to audit their inner circle, and they don't realize sometimes that is the reason that could be holding you back. And this brings me to a story that I want to share with you that is the core mission behind the name Falcon. See, years ago I was told this story about something called the Falcon and the Crow. And it essentially is a metaphor, if you like, that, think about it. Crows can only fly at the heights of tall trees, but falcons, they can fly thousands of feet in the air. Now, what this does is it translates to a little bit of life. If you think about it, in life, you're both gonna have crows and falcons. Crows are going to be the people that, you know, give you that negative feedback. They always hold you back, they're always bitter, and they never want the best for you. And quite often they try to bring you down to their level because they're uncomfortable with people being successful. Falcons, however, those are going to be the people that push you. The people that are ambitious, they're on the same mission as you. They're going to be pushing themselves out of their comfort zone, holding you accountable, but more so, they'll celebrate your success. And what we have to realize is that sometimes in life, we'll be surrounded by both falcons and both crows. And sometimes they're a little bit in disguise and you won't notice it. And what crows will do is they'll try to bring you down to their level because they'll see you soaring high in the air and they'll be uncomfortable with your success. Now, as a falcon, you can always adapt and you can fly lower, but a crow can never fly at the heights of a falcon. Think about that for a moment. What periods in your life are you going through right now in which that you could be surrounded by too many crows? They're uncomfortable with you being ambitious. And if you feel uncomfortable sharing your goals with your friends, then are you really part of the right circle? Audit your inner circle. Surround yourself with falcons. See, the story of the Falcon and the Crow is the very reason why I started the Falcon Project. This is what the name represents. This is not a name that sounds good. This is a mentality, surrounding yourself with falcons. When I think about Falcon and I think about the community, what I think about is like-minded, switched on, genuine, focused, laser-driven people that are going after their goals in full force. And through life, everybody is surrounded by different people. The crows can be friends and family. The crows can be, loved ones. You never know. But what it is, your responsibility is that even if you are surrounded by those environments, surround yourself also with positive people. Surround yourself with falcons that have the right mentality that is going to push you to where you need to be. This is a message that I wanted to share with you all, because when you think about life in general, we can relate this to all areas of life. And when you can develop the right mentality and realize, like I said from the very beginning, you are the 5 people, you are the average of the 5 people that you spend the most time with. Think about it. There's a study that says the average human has 75,000 thoughts per day, and over 90% of those thoughts will be the same the next day. So if you want to change your life, if you're serious about your goals and you want to get this off to the best possible start, then you need to start auditing your language. Because if you're surrounding yourself with crows that don't have the right mindset, that are not ambitious, that won't get out of their comfort zone, you're absorbing those thoughts and you've got the same thoughts over and over again. And the next day, you're thinking exactly the same way. Ask yourself the tough question. How are you going to be successful when you're surrounding yourself with unambitious thoughts? It's going to be more difficult, right? It's almost like trying to climb a mountain with a heavy backpack. Get rid of the backpack. Soar as high as you want to be. No goal is silly. And if you realize when you're around the right people, those are going to be the ones that push you and say, listen, you can do more, you can do better, and I'm going to help you do that. I'm going to hold you accountable. That is what the Falcon mentality represents. And in the community, it's an absolute pleasure to be able to share that mentality. And we've seen so many incredible individuals grow and blossom when they surround themselves with the right people. I wanted to share this message with you because this is very, very close to my heart and part of my life. And I owe a big gratitude to all the falcons that I've surrounded myself with. So ask yourself that question. Do you want to surround yourself with crows, or do you want to surround yourself with falcons? I'll let you make the choice, because it's your life and you're the one that has to go after your goals. Make the right choice.